What's up, you guys? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So when I get any opportunity to shoot a video, I just shoot a video because why not? So I've been getting a lot of Instagram questions, inbox and DMs on my Instagram on how people can invest in the US market while in Kenya or Africa. So I'll talk about my country, Kenya, where you can invest. Open your account instead of the local Nairobi Stock Exchange where you have to open a CDS account. So if you want to buy Apple shares, Microsoft shares, the index funds, or invest in the S&P 500 or the international markets, you can actually use a company called EGM Securities. EGM Securities is regulated and mandated by the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya. You can Google that and see. This is not paid promotion, so I'm just giving you information. EGM Securities, they have an app called FX Pesa, where you can actually buy stocks, shares in the international space, in the international market. If you want Apple shares or Microsoft or Tesla, you've been seeing Tesla has been going up and down, and also you've actually seen how Microsoft has gotten into the $2 trillion mark. Imagine a company with $2 trillion. Like, seriously, is it 2 trillion? Or yeah, imagine how much is that. So, and they actually give quarterly dividends. A company like Apple, they give quarterly dividends. Imagine if they decide to give you a dividend of like $5 or $4 in 1 year, depending on how much you buy shares. So per quarter they'll give you like $1 of worth your shares, and they're paying you free money. So if you don't want to pay any capital gains with this, or this is for the citizens in the US or the residents, if you withdraw your money before 1 year, you're supposed to pay tax, capital gains, but also they look at your income to see how much you can withdraw and how much taxes you attract. Other people choose to reinvest all the dividends that they're given. Okay, so the good thing or the best thing when you're investing in the stock market is actually reinvesting back your dividends. Okay, make sure you, even if you get like, well, if you have an agency for getting the money out, let compound interest work for you. I talked about compound interest as a eighth wonder of the world in my other video. I think I'll link it in the description box. It says just keep your money, you hold the stock for long-term period, you see. Okay, so like for example, Amazon has been growing, it's at $3,000 per stock or per share. That is too expensive. Don't go into very expensive stocks. Apple is going to grow very, very, very much, and right now the stock is, I think, at 132. I started following Apple when it was like $90 a share, which means, imagine today it's like 32, no, $132, less than, I think, 2 years now. It's almost doubling its value, and it's giving dividends every single year. Every single quarter you get some amount in your account. If you don't want to get some, reinvest it back to allow the effects of compound interest. Okay, so the next company is also called Scope Markets Kenya. They have a website. Guys, just go Google this stuff and you'll actually see what Scope Market is all about. They have their website where you can actually register and put all in your details. And by the way, do all due diligence before you decide to invest in any of these things that I'm trying to say. This is not financial advice, but I will encourage you to do your due diligence to make sure you actually know what you're getting yourself into. And one thing I will encourage you also is to make sure before you decide to invest, make sure you have enough emergency funds, enough money to actually save you from any kind of crisis. 3 to 6 months. If you can't 3 to 6 months, you can extend it to 12 months, because you never know, disasters happen, your money gets lost, or something happens along the way. Okay, so you need to have your 3 to 6 months emergency fund in place. Do not invest if you don't have any emergency fund in place. That's what I keep telling people. And also, Make sure you don't have any high interest debts. Well, mortgage, if you have, you're lucky. Keep it. Of course, you don't want to pay your mortgage as early as you can, but if you have any high interest debt, make sure you actually pay it off before you decide to invest, okay? And you don't invest all your money. You actually invest at least 15%. See how the investment is going to grow. Do not invest all your money. You never know. All these things just, they can just crumble one day. But it has been proven that the last 50 years, the US stock market has always been going up, up and down, apart from every market correction that happens about every 10 to 15 years. Something happens in the economy and the market crash. We get a market crash, like all your funds just go into a deep dive and you might think you lose your money. Don't ever take out your money. The market has proven that it has 8 to 10, in fact 15% return worth of your money. Did I say that your money doubles every 7 years? So if you have 1,000 bob today, you might actually have your 2k without doing anything. You've invested 2k after 7 years. So don't feel encouraged, don't feel discouraged. That's what I meant. Try to invest in these companies. Do your research. In fact, you can actually look at the product you're using now. I'm talking about an Apple because you use an iPhone every day, okay? I'm talking about shares in Kenya like Safaricom. You use Safaricom every single day of your life, whether you like it or not. Those are the kind of shares you should go for, not something like, let's say, what do I say? Like a lamp company or a shoe company if you don't wear them. So why are you enriching a shoe company that you actually don't use? A company like Unilever, a company like Clorox. Clorox is like bleach, or Jik. Such companies that have value in your house. In fact, look at everything around in your house and see which products or which companies they add, and Google and see whether they're listed in any stock market. Look at the price, look at their long-term price, the way they've been paying dividends, the way they've been performing. Then you'll get the answer on when to invest or how to invest, okay? Don't just invest in anything. That's not right. Don't do it blindly. Do your research. Make sure you get the right information. Stick to this channel. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. I'll be sharing so much, and my journey also. I want to do my schooling, improve my skills and earn more income so that I can invest more, okay? And also continue to grow my YouTube channel. So I want to get to 1,000 subscribers and then we grow. Okay, so we say this Cop Market Kenya and EGM Security, which they have an app called FX Pesa, and it's free. It's actually free to register. So that was my video today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.